Hi everyone, I'm Cherry Anchisti. I am a board certified behavior analyst and the clinical director at Ascend ABA. April is Autism Awareness Month. It's time to celebrate how amazing our kids are. But here at Ascend, we know that awareness is not enough. Families in New York City need real help and easy ways to find it. Right now, about 1 in 31 children is found to have autism. For the first time, these numbers are highest for Asian and Pacific Islander children, as well as Black and Hispanic children. Many families still have a hard time getting it because of where they live or the languages that they speak. Families have to wait at least 3 months to a whole year just to get a diagnosis or start therapy. That is a way too long to get help. That's why we are making a video series just for you. We're going to show you where to find community resources like fun local programs and quiet sensory friendly places all across 5 boroughs. We want to make things easier. If you are on a wait list for ABA services right now, we can help. Please call us at 888 500 0230 or email us at info@ascend-aba if you have questions. Ascend ABA, accessible autism care in New York City.